Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. We're just heading home from work today. It's the first time we've actually took the bike to this site, this office that I'm in. So we're just heading back, nice chilled ride, nothing too fancy or anything. Yeah, so we're just nice chilled ride home. It's very nice out today. It's been very nice all day. Which shows you a shame when we just sat in an office all day. But I thought we'd just make a quick video. As I say, unfortunately it's probably going to be a lot of motorway miles. But there's still a video. We might just talk instead opposed to doing anything else. It's just going to be a lot of motorway opposed to anything else. But it gives me a chance to have a bit chat with you guys. Everywhere I haven't really made a video in a little while. I'm not gonna lie, I'm hoping you guys can hear me alright here. But the reason behind this is, since getting this bike, I've really struggled with it. I just have not gelled with this bike at all. I'm so stiff on it, so uncomfortable. I'm not gonna lie, it kind of scares me. And it's not even the power. I get it's obviously a quick bike and whatnot. It's not even the power that scares me. I don't actually know what it is, truthfully. In my head, I know that for sure, because I'm perfectly capable. I know I'm perfectly capable. It is literally in my head that I cannot ride this bike. Which is a little bit annoying, honestly, because it's my dream bike. This is the bike that I've wanted for so long. Like, as I've said to you guys when I got it, we're talking 13, 14 years I've wanted this bike. And now I've finally got it. It just feels ruined for me at the moment. At the fact that I just, as I say, I don't want to go on it. I don't want to ride a bike. When I'm given the chance, I'd rather just stay at home. Which is stupid. As I say, I know it's in my head. And I need to try and work past that barrier. Sorry, I wasn't sure that was a police car behind me or not there. So yeah, so as I say, I capable of doing anything I ask it to, but it's just, I'm just not gelling with it at the moment. And I know I've only ridden it a couple of times. Most of the time has actually been off camera because I don't like the footage that I record, and I don't want to post footage that I think is crap for you guys to watch. I don't think that's fair on you guys. You guys have subscribed to me. Yes, I know my content isn't amazing. It's not up there, but I still try and hold myself to a certain kind of standard, and the footage that I'm recording is nowhere near that standard. And that's, as I say, it's partly because of the bike. It's partly because I cannot seem to get the audio right on this helmet. Which then all you can hear is wind noise. Like, nothing else but wind noise. So I have made a couple of adjustments to the helmet, a couple of adjustments to the GoPro, and I've ordered some bits for the bike as well, which I'm hoping might help me a little bit. So hopefully if I can get that fixed, then it might make me want to record a little bit more, because another thing that plays on my mind is I go out and I record, and I already know that the footage is going to be shocking, and then it's just like, well, what's the point of going out? Like, I know you can just go out to ride. I don't have to go out to record, which I've done that a few times as well. I've gone out just because, but at the same time, it's what I want to do. Not necessarily make like a career out of it. I don't expect to ever be able to do that, but I enjoy doing it on the MT. And let's say it's possibly because of the helmet, which I have actually sold now, so I can't even try it with the old helmet and see whether it's any better. But yeah, so let's say this ride's more of a let's talk, shall we say. But I just wanted to say, get these things out a little bit, and I appreciate the people that have stayed with me, that have stayed subscribed to the channel, especially when I haven't posted in so long. I do appreciate them, and as I say, I'm trying to work through it. I do have a couple of things edited now, but I'm just not happy with them, so I don't want to post them, and I'm in this kind of loop constantly. So we'll see where that goes, but I'm hoping this one actually sounds okay, so that I'm able to post this. So yeah, as I say, it's just, I think it's going to take time, but, and I know I can't force it, I just need to try and work through it. I do have a session booked tomorrow, like on the weekend, with one of my friends who's an instructor. Basically just to go out with them and just for them just to see if they can pick up on what's happening, like to just, not obviously to teach me to ride the bike, because I know how to ride a bike-ish before people start coming, but just to be able to see and just to give me some pointers of maybe how I can relax a little bit more on the bike, how I can enjoy the ride more. So as I say, I've got that tomorrow, which I am looking forward to, but at the same time I am gritting it, and I've told him that. I've said I'm nervous as hell. And it's not because he expects me to do anything like crazy. That's not what we're after in this session. This is not what I'm asking for. It's just because I'm riding this bike with somebody else. I've done one trip with somebody else on this bike, and as you guys have probably seen, hopefully I'll actually have posted it before I decide to upload this video. I dropped the bike, and I know it wasn't going quick or anything like that. It was more because I'm a short arse and I didn't realise the ground had kind of a very big gradient of where I'd stopped. But again, that's something that's just knocked me completely. I don't know what this car is doing. Not overtaken is what they're doing. But yeah, so I'm hoping that might just help me get over that barrier. Going out with him, just him having like some input, because I value him as a rider and a friend. He has biked for a long time. He biked with my dad. When my dad was out on his, he was out with him. They've done track days and stuff together. So I've known him a very long time. So I obviously, that's why I kind of asked him for the help, just to see whether there's anything that he can help me with. Just for me to open up, kind of let you guys know what's been happening. So yeah, so as I say, fingers crossed I can get out more after this weekend and just relax on the bike and just start to enjoy it pretty much. Tell me,